Kwarto lang. Kwarto lang.
Bro, I swear, you're so mean. Wait, why did Tina say it's a girl, then immediately, and then like the next 10 minutes he said it's a man?
Right here.
Why?
Diyos ko po, yan.
Shield sight.
That's blasting.
Cutting their vision.
Cover going out. Blinding.
They will cover.
Trevor.
To disappoint.
Sino Ace?
Yeah, go. Wala ko naman. Okay, I go down.
Three souls.
Kina Ace?
Uy! Lang.
Ah!
Ano yan, Gina? Ano? So, Julia. Tawag dito.
Hello.
Piratin na. Ano, paiyakin natin si Aki.
Okay.
Reyna ka. Ano yun natin si Aki. Pirapan natin siya. All mid lang ah.
Sige.
All mid lang. All mid lang ah. All mid lang. Ah.
No, it's banana.
Oo, ganun yun. All mid lang. Sabi niya gusto niya daw tayong sirahin. Gusto niya daw tayo talunin.
Wala akong sinabi.
One enemy remaining.
Uy!
What the?
Uy! Oh!
I am a mountain.
Pinapatulog tayo, Julio. Good night daw.
Good night.
Fight.
Dahil
Knife.
Get out of my way.
Eme lang.
This game sucks, bro.
oh,
Nawala.
This ranking.
One enemy remaining.
oy!
Nawala.
Ano naman? Oo.
Kailangan yan ako bigyan to. Saan ang bibili yan?
I have Lance
Ako
in
din.
this game.
Sa Hong Kong, punta ka.
Tumayo ng Hong Kong yan.
Literal.
Kalaban sa Victoria, gusto ko rin ng headband eh.
Ewan. Shopee siguro meron.
What's his name? Nate is good.
Kakalbo na ako rin sa Jojo.
Match found.
Matagal ka na nakakalbo, di mo lang alam.
Nagawa.
I feel, in my opinion, this is the hardest
Nagpumaklaro. Ubus, hindi, ganyan. Mukha ako.
They have no idea how hard this I am.
In my opinion, I feel like this chapter is the hardest.
Alam mo sa ano sa ano. Ay,
Yeah, I feel like
naka-automatic
it's
ka?
the hardest because I've never
Naka?
Naka-automatic ka?
I've completed
Na ano?
everything on Nightmare, but not
Naka-mic ka sa balo?
Oo.
Okay,
Okay na.
that's my last
Okay na,
game.
sige. Abon.
So come.
Mhm.
Bye.
Bye-bye.